Hello friends, today's topic is a great circle. Okay, it will be a small video. Okay, so just want to explain what is a great circle. Okay, so let's imagine uh, this orange. Okay, so you can see this orange is one piece is cut into half. Okay, so so to make this orange into equal half. Okay, so the knife has to pass through the center of the inner center of the orange. Okay, then only this orange piece will become two equal halves. Okay, so what if the knife if you make a cut like this? Okay, so it will make a small piece. Okay, but it doesn't pass through the center of the orange, so the piece will not be equal. Okay, so similarly, okay, on the surface of the earth, okay, so on the surface of the earth, if you draw a circle, okay, if you draw a circle like this around the circle, around the throughout the earth, if you draw a circle, the each circle has its own plane, correct? So the plane of the circle, okay, the plane of the circle must pass through the inner center of the earth. Okay, so then that circle that circle divide the earth into two equal half, first half and second half. Okay, so this circle will divide the earth into two equal half. Okay, so the circle's plane is passing through the center. Okay, so this circle is called a great circle. Okay, so what happened if I draw another circle somewhere on the earth which doesn't pass through the center of the earth? So that circle will also have a plane. Okay, but the center is here. The circle drawn on the earth surface, that doesn't pass the plane of that uh, plane of that circle doesn't pass through the center, so the earth is not divided into two equal halves. Okay, so that circle is called a small circle. Okay, so I'll read the definition of a great circle. Okay, so the great circle is a circle. Okay, so it's a circle. Okay, so on the surface of the earth. Okay, that means the earth is here. Okay, north pole, south pole. Okay, whose plane? Okay, so the plane of the initial circle that we draw, correct? Okay, passes through the center, okay, of the earth. Okay, so the earth has its own center, correct? So that initial circle's plane must pass through the center of the pass through the plane pass through the earth's center and divide the earth. Okay, divide the earth into two equal halves. So that circle can only be called as great circle. Okay, so there we can draw in any number of circles on the surface of the earth. Okay, so like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so all these circles. Okay, so since earth is a sphere, you can draw any number of circles on the surface of the earth. The important thing is the each circle has its own plane. Okay, so that plane has to pass through the center of the earth. Okay, then that circle which in which the plane of that circle pass through the center can only be called as the great circle. Okay, all the other circle which don't pass through the center are called as small circle. Okay, I hope you understand what is the definition and how the great circle